Do you want to know how you can play games in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can play games in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now go ahead and tap Discover, and you can see on the top left hand corner there are games type. So some of the games which are offered by Elsa Speak is Elsa AI, unscrambling words, missing letters, pronunciation, intonation, listening, word stress, conversation, and video conversation. So you can tap on any of these games and you can start playing games in Elsa Speak. So these are different types of games and have different types of pronunciations, different types of initiatives. You can choose them and press continue or start, and then start improving your English just by playing games in Elsa Speak. This was a video on how you can play games in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.